Hello everyone, welcome to my EARTHKIDS channel. Milk is necessary for growth and health. All dairy products like yogurt, cheese, butter, etc. come from milk. We get milk from cow, goat, sheep and buffalo. Milk is a white liquid made by mammals. Milk is an important factor for a balanced diet. Milk is a complete food. It gives strength for the bones and teeth. Milk is an important drink for children. It is a rich source of calcium and protein. Milk should be stored in a refrigerator, otherwise it will get spoiled. So friends, please like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.